In this video, I will show you how to remove a professional account on Instagram. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon and click on Professional Dashboard. Only those who have professional account has Professional Dashboard. So click on that and click on the Settings button right here. Now we just have to scroll down and click on Creator. Now we just have to scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Now it will give us two options, whether we want to switch from business or creator account or personal account. If we switch to business or creator account, this will still make us a professional account. If we switch to personal account, we will lose the privileges a professional account has. So let's click on switch to personal account and tap on that. Now we just have to go back to our profile, and now we no longer have a professional account. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.